Ready to unveil the key to optimal health? Imagine a world where you never touch honey again, and instead, dive into the transformative benefits of three essential foods. Are you curious about the secret recipe for a healthier, happier you? Want to know the game changers that can redefine your well-being? Buckle up as we unlock the gateway to optimal health together. Number 1. Fish. Fish is a food that has no carbs and no sugar, but is high in protein and healthy fats. Eating fish can provide many health benefits, such as being a rich source of protein. Fish is a high-quality protein source that supports muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Improving your brain function and mood, fish contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain development and function. Omega-3s may also help prevent depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. Lowering your risk of heart disease and stroke, fish is a good source of lean protein, which can help lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglycerides. Fish also contains selenium, which is an antioxidant that protects your blood vessels from damage, supporting your immune system and skin health. Fish is rich in vitamin D, which is important for immune function, bone health, and calcium absorption. Vitamin D may also help prevent skin diseases like psoriasis and eczema. Eye health. Fish like tuna and salmon contain antioxidants and omega-3s that support vision and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Fish is a versatile and delicious food that can be eaten in various ways, such as baked, grilled, fried, or steamed. You can enjoy it with salads, soups, sauces, or herbs. Try to include more fish in your diet to reap its health benefits. Number 2. Cucumbers. With their high water content and zero carbs and sugar, cucumbers are a refreshing and hydrating addition to your diet, bringing along a host of health benefits. More than just a garden staple, cucumbers are a powerhouse of nourishment. Their water-rich composition supports hydration, skin health, and bodily functions. The absence of carbs and sugars makes them an excellent choice for those watching their intake, aiding weight management while offering a satisfying crunch. Cucumbers contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids, combating inflammation and oxidative stress. Their silica content promotes healthy skin and supports connective tissues, contributing to joint health. The fiber in cucumber supports digestion and keeps your gut happy. Whether sliced in salads, added to water for a refreshing drink, or enjoyed on their own, cucumbers provide a simple and nourishing addition to your meals. With their hydrating properties and lack of carbs and sugar, cucumbers become a tasty way to enhance your well-being and stay refreshed. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are a low-carb and sugar-free food with many health benefits. They are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot make on its own. Eggs also provide healthy fats, choline, iron, selenium, and vitamin B. Packed with high-quality protein, eggs play a pivotal role in supporting muscle health, cell repair, and overall growth. Here are some reasons why eggs are good for your health and some of the health benefits of eggs. They can help you feel full and satisfied, which may prevent overeating and aid weight loss. They can support your brain function and memory, as a whole line is a key component of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. They can improve your cholesterol profile and lower your risk of heart disease, as eggs increase HDL, good cholesterol, and change LDL, bad cholesterol, from small, dense particles to large, fluffy ones. Eggs are also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamins B12, D, and selenium. Vitamin D supports bone health and immune function, while selenium acts as an antioxidant defending cells from damage. The absence of carbs and sugar in eggs makes them an ideal choice for low-carb diets and those looking to manage blood sugar levels. These nutrient-rich gems are a source of essential amino acids, contributing to various bodily functions. Moreover, eggs contain healthy fats and cholesterol, crucial for hormone production and brain health. Rich in choline, eggs promote cognitive function and fetal development during pregnancy. Eggs are versatile and delicious. You can enjoy them in various ways, such as boiled, scrambled, fried, or poached. Try to include more eggs in your diet to reap their health benefits. As we conclude this journey towards optimal health, remember the power lies in your plate. By steering clear of honey and embracing the vitality of 3 essential foods, you're taking charge of your well-being. Are you ready to make this change a permanent part of your lifestyle? Join us in this commitment to a healthier you. Share your success stories, questions, and experiences in the comments below. Let's build a community dedicated to unlocking the secrets of optimal health together. Your journey starts now.